Hello everyone, and now let us solve some problems on partial differential equation of order 2. So here the example I have written, the concept already we have discussed in our last video. Solve dou 2z by dou x square minus dou 2z by dou x dou y minus 6 dou 2z by dou y square is equal to 0. As I told you, I have to take capital D is dou by dou x, capital dou dash is dou by dou y, and we have to write the equation. So this equation becomes, yes, tell me, d square z minus d dash z minus 6 d dash square z is equal to 0. Correct? Take z common and write down the coefficient. So d square minus d dash minus 6 d dash square into z is equal to 0. So our auxiliary equation is coefficient of z equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is d square minus d dash minus 6 d dash square is equal to 0. Now put d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. So we get here m square minus m minus 6 is equal to 0. Understood it? M square minus m and here 1. So minus 6 equal to 0. What are the roots here? I want product minus 6. I want product minus 6 and sum is minus 1. So here I get factors. Yes, d minus 3 into m minus 3 into m plus 2 equal to 0 means m is equal to 3 and m is equal to minus 2. Understood? Now write down your complete answer. So our complete answer is m equal to 2 and m equal to minus 2. These are the roots. Our complete answer is z is equal to f of y f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 y plus m2x. Put these values of m. So I get f1 of y plus 3x plus f2 of y minus 2x. Understood? Very simple answer. Now try to solve the next one. 4 d2z by dx square minus 12 d2z by dx dy plus 9 d2z by dy square. Try to solve, find roots. I have put the answer in front of you. Right? Now we are going to solve this example. Solve d cube z by dx cube minus 3 d cube z by dx square dy plus 4, sorry, not d, dou cube z by dou y square is dou y cube is equal to e raised to x plus 2y. I am reading it again. Dou cube z by dou x cube minus 3 dou cube z by dou x dou y plus 4 dou cube z by dou y cube is equal to e raised to x plus 2y. We will think on this e raised to x plus 2y. First, tell me the auxiliary equation. Can I write directly auxiliary equation? This is your d cube minus 3. How I write this? See here, dx square means d square and dou y by dou y. Clearly? Don't understand? So let me tell you. This 3 dou cube z by dou x square, I can write dou square by dou x square into dou z by dou y. So this is your d square and this is d dash z. Understood? Now write down the term d cube, right, minus 3d square into d dash. Correct? Next one is 4 d dash cube plus 4 d dash its cube into z is equal to 0. So our auxiliary equation is this term equal to 0. Now take your calci to find the roots. Before that, put, yes, d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. Put this value. So I get m cube minus 3m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Correct? Find the roots. Using your calci, find the roots. Roots are -1 to 2. I have calculated, so I just wrote it directly. You do it on your calci and find that roots are there or not. Now will you tell me complete answer? Yes, complete solution. Complete solution for the first one is f1 of y minus x. Value of m1 is minus 1. f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y plus 2x. This is repeated. 2 times appear, na? So I have to take first term plus x into again next term. So f2 into y plus 2x plus x into f3 of y plus 2x. Now pi. For pi, as usual, we write it as 1 upon d cube minus 3d square d dash plus 4 d dash cube operating on e raised to x plus 2y. Right? Now see here, what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is, yes, coefficient of x is 1. Clearly. And what is coefficient of y? It is 2. So replace d by 1 and replace d dash by 2. In place of d, put 1 and replace d dash by 2. Okay, do your calculation. See here, 1 upon 1 cube is 1 minus 3 into 1 square is 1 and d dash is 2 plus 4 2 cube, d dash cube means 2 cube. Simplify, you will get the answer 1 upon 27 e raised to x plus 2y. Therefore, the general solution is z is equal to this CF plus PI you may call, or complete solution and particular integral you may call. So here f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y plus 2x plus x into f3 of y plus 2x plus 1 upon 27 e raised to x plus 2y. Next example is solve d2z by dx square minus d2z by dou square z by dou x square minus dou 2z by dou x dou y sin x cos 2y. Here dou y is there. Sin x cos 2y. Okay. Now try to reduce it. How I write it? This equation we can write, yes, d square. I am writing here d square minus d into d dash. Clearly, d square d into d dash into z is equal to sin x cos 2y. Correct. Now here sin a cos b. What is sin a cos b? That concept I have to use. Remember it. Yes, recall the concept sin a cos b. Before that, we will solve this auxiliary equation. So d square minus d dash is equal to 0. That means m square minus m is equal to 0. What I did here? Replace d by m and d dash is equal to 1. I substitute here. Correct? So I get here m into m minus 1 equal to 0 means m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 1. Getting two roots 0 and 1. We will write your answer. Our answer. What is our answer? Yes. Z complementary function or complete solution is f1 of, yes, y plus 0x, that is y, plus f2 of y plus x. Understood the first part. Now to understand the second part, I required here sin a cos b. What is sin a cos b? 1 by 2 sin of or cos of sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Understood it? This formula have you remember? Now use here sin x cos 2y is equal to 1 by 2 sin of x plus 2y plus sin of x minus 2y. Correct? Now apply. Pi is equal to 1 upon, what is that? D square minus d dash, this one. D square minus d dash 1 by 2 sine of x plus 2y plus 1 by 2, 1 upon d square minus d dash 1 by 2 sine of x minus 2y. Apply on both. Correct? Now what is formula for sine? We have to replace d square. We are going to replace d square by minus a square. So what is the coefficient of x here? 1. So minus 1. Correct? Then d dash square. Replace d dash square by coefficient of y, its square, that is minus 4. 2 square is 4 and minus sign to that. But d dash square is not there, so no problem. Then d dash. D into d dash. We can't put on in a single one. We want both. D into d dash is equal to minus ab. Minus ab means coefficient of x and coefficient of y. What is that? 1 into 2, that is 2, minus 2. Clearly? In the first one. So to complete the first one first, then I will tell you the next one. 1 upon d square, that is minus 1. D square, that is minus 1, minus of minus 2, minus of minus 2, sine 1 by 2 and sine x plus y as it is. So 1 by 2 I write front. Sine x plus 2y. Understood this step? Plus again 1 upon, replace d square by minus 1. 1 by 2 outside, no problem. Minus d into d dash. Here I have to replace this minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means again plus 4. Clearly. And d into d dash I have to replace by minus ab. So here plus ab. Got it? Plus ab sine of x minus 2y. Sine of x minus 2y. Now everything is good, but you may confuse in this step. Why I substitute here plus 2? See, we have to replace d into d dash by minus ab. Replace d into d dash, I have to replace by minus ab. Correct? But if I put here a is 1 and b is minus 2, so it become 1 into minus 2 into minus 1. So here it is plus 2. Right? Now do the calculation and complete your answer. So your final answer is 1 by 2 here. Do the calculation completely. You will get 1 by 2 sine of x plus 2y minus 1 by 6 sine of x minus 2y. And some of the examples I put for practice purpose in front of you. Try to solve it. If you not able to solve, then you can free to ask me. Yes, the examples are in front of you. If I read, then I have to waste again 3-4 minutes. So it's better you just see carefully, and from stopping the videos you can write down it on your notebook. Okay. So few examples are in front of you. The similar example is the last one. You just try it for cos and x and cos 2y is there. So similar type of answer you may get there. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and we conclude here our unit number 5th.